Here's my new pot, new copper pot, on which I put the glass lid from the rice cooker. This comes with a solid copper lid, but I put this glass covered rice lid, cooker lid, which has this vent hole. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of this. But all the steam, let's see if I turn the light off maybe. Can't see it. But if I put this up against it, well, the steam's coming out of here. You put your hand up, it's hot. And you can see how everything is cooking inside of it. Plus it lets out the steam. We can definitely see the steam rising here. And the whole time I had it cooked on a low heat, less than medium. Just a low heat. I just put the lentils in, put the water in, low heat, left it for an hour and it cooked itself. Now it's done. There's your lentils. It's not even as liquidy as the liquid veggie burgers. Oh, they're done. Didn't have to watch it. It didn't overflow because it's got the steam, little steam hole in the lid, and that's it. There's my bowl. Here's your lentils. Easy to cook, just put it on low heat, walk away for an hour. It cooks itself, it doesn't spill over. And it's yum, yum, yum. It's like eating veggie burgers. I could put it in this bagel. And just slice this bagel up. I'll do that. There you go. Bagel. Ow, hot. Ow, hot. Hot. And just like that. There you go. It's hot. It needs to cool down. Well, it's not bad. It's a vegetarian burger. I put some lettuce and some ketchup on it. Not only just as good as a hamburger or an ass burger, but it's better for you. It even tastes better. And all that grease and fat in the hamburgers, oh, that's for my hamburgers. You don't get that with this.